Have you ever heard of this explanation of like why you're sick? You blame it on the night air. Because down here in South Louisiana where I live, we love to use that explanation. Oh, I got the night air cough. Oh, I was hanging outside with my panas all night long. That's why my throat is so sore. It's the night air. Or like a runny nose. Nah, you ain't got no sinus problems. No, you got some night air problems. So, do you use the night air to explain why you're sick? If you do, are you from South Louisiana? And if you're not, where are you from? Because I'm just curious to know if it's like a southern thing or something. But I absolutely love it whenever I'm like, oh, I got the night air cough. I'm not contagious. No, I got that from the night air.